day, learners! Welcome to our Grade 5 English virtual class. I am Soraya Dimnatang Sultan of Amay Pakpak Central Elementary School, Marawi City Division, and I am your teacher presenter for your Grade 5 lessons for Week 2. Are you excited to learn more today? Me too! So come, together we will explore the world of English. Before we start with our lesson, let us first read and observe the following words.
Dining room, peppermint, well-to-do, ice cube, high-tech, close-up, full moon, throwback, follow-up, coffee grains, worldwide, lifetime.
Now, can you tell me what are these words? Very good! These are called compound words, and this will going to be your lesson for today. So, let's get started! Oh! It's a sailboat! Haven't you tried riding on a sailboat? It's fun, right?
The word sailboat is also an example of a compound word. Compound words are formed by joining two or more words together to form a new word with a new meaning. Remember, to understand the meaning of a compound words, it is important to determine the meaning of each word that makes up a new word. Let us take sailboat as an example.
Sail means to travel on water. Boat is a small vessel used to travel on water. But if we combine these two words together, it will create a new word with a new meaning. And that is how you can understand the meaning of a compound word. Interesting, right? So, let's continue.
What are the three types of compound words?
Again, take a look at these examples. What can you notice? You're right. The words were written in three different colors. What else? Exactly. The words were written in three different forms.
As you can see, the words in pink were written with space between them. These are called open form compound words. On the other hand, the words in yellow were written as one without a space. These are called closed form compound words. Moreover, the words in blue were connected by a hyphen. These are called hyphenated form compound words.
So, always remember that compound words have three different types. Open, closed, or hyphenated compound words. Did you get it? Very good. Now, get your paper and pen and let us try to answer activity number 1.
Directions. Copy the following chart on your notebook, then fill in the needed information based on the sentences below. The first one is done for you. Children are taught to read and write in a schoolhouse called classroom. Schoolhouse or classroom is a closed compound form, and it means a place where children are taught how to read and write.
Now, it's your turn. This time, do it on your own. Your timer starts now.
Oops! Time's up!
Let's check your answers.
The answer on number 1 is playground. Playground is a closed compound word. Playground is a place where children play. The answer on number 2 is brother-in-law. Brother-in-law is a hyphenated compound word and it means spouse of someone's sister. On number 3, the answer is post office. Post office is an open compound word and it means a mail depot. On number 4, the answer is ice cream. Ice cream is an open compound word. Ice cream means dessert. And lastly, on number 5, the answer is afternoon. Afternoon is a closed compound word. Afternoon is after lunch.
Did you get all the correct answers? Wonderful! Keep it up, kids! As I have mentioned a while ago, that for you to understand the meaning of a compound word, it is important to determine the meaning of each word that makes up a new word, isn't it? Yes, but do you know that we can also infer or guess the meaning of unfamiliar words using context clues? Not yet? Don't worry, I will help you figure them out. In doing so, let us try to answer activity number 2.
Write in column A the compound words found in each sentence, while write in column B the correct meaning of the compound word. I was outraged when I saw a bully pushing the little boy.
What do you think is the compound word in this sentence? And what does it mean? Is it letter A, interested, B, shocked, C, pleased, or D, angered? Write down your answers and we'll check them later. Now, can you do it alone? Definitely, I know you can. I'll give you 30 seconds to answer. Your timer starts now. Let's check your answers.
The compound word on number 1 is outraged. The meaning of outraged is on letter D, angered. On number 2, the compound word is drawbacks, and the meaning is on letter B, problems. On number 3, the compound word is homework, and the meaning is on letter A, assignment. On number 4, the compound word is earthquake, and the meaning is on letter C, tremor. On number 5, the compound word is classroom, and the meaning is on letter D, schoolhouse.
Did you get all the answers right? Wow! Amazing! You did a good job! As we continue, let us first unlock some important words before we proceed to our lesson. What are the meaning of these words?
Synonyms are words that have the same or nearly the same meaning.
If the word drawbacks also means problems, then it is called synonyms. Another example is outraged. Outrage also means angered. Then, outrage is synonymous to angered.
Antonyms are words of opposite meaning.
If the word outraged is synonymous to the word angered, then its antonyms will be the word pleased. Synonyms and antonyms are used as context clues to infer the meaning of unfamiliar words in the given text. For us to practice how to infer the meaning of unfamiliar words using synonyms and antonyms, Let us try again to answer activity number 3.
Directions. Read and study the paragraph below. Look for the compound words that were used in each sentence. Find out what they mean in these sentences, then answer the questions that follow. The boys were halfway up the tree, and when the flood water hit it midway, they held on as tightly as they could. Reaching the hill crest, they saw the destructions made by the busted dam, including the trees and plants on the other hilltop. Identify the 5 compound words used in the paragraph.
Have you found them yet?
The 5 compound words are halfway, floodwater, midway, hillcrest, and hilltop.
Did you find all the compound words? Very good! Now, are you ready for the second question?
Which word in the first sentence means the same as halfway?
Midway is the same as halfway. Let's move on to the next number.
Which word in the second sentence is synonymous to hillcrest?
Hillcrest is synonymous to hilltop. We're almost done. Let's answer the last question.
How do you call these words?
Great! These words are synonyms. Did you get all the correct answers? Excellent! You deserve a round of applause. Job well done, my pupils! Now you are ready to move on with your next lesson. Hope you have fun and learned a lot. But, before we end up our lesson, let us first summarize what you have learned.
Remember, compound words are words formed by putting 2 or more words together to form a new word with a new meaning. Compound words may be closed, written with space between them, open, written without space, or hyphenated, connected by a hyphen. Synonyms are words that have the same meaning. Antonyms, on the other hand, are words that are opposite in meaning. Synonyms and antonyms can be used as context clues to infer or guess the meaning of unfamiliar words in a given text.
There you have it, kids! Now you have been completed your Lesson 1 for this week. Again, this is me, Teacher Sultan, leaving you these thoughts. It is better to do even just the simplest thing you can than doing nothing at all. Till our next video. See ya!